Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by configuring the hotspot itself. Set a clear SSID and a WPA2 or WPA3 password so clients can authenticate. Once done, confirm your data plan and signal so connections stay stable. Poor signal means dropouts. Now open a QR generator that supports Wi-Fi payloads and input SSID, encryption type, and password. This encodes credentials directly. Do this now. It prevents typing errors and speeds up client connections, because scanning removes manual entry and reduces mismatched characters. You generate the QR with the SSID, encryption selection, and exact password. Accuracy matters, so copy-paste rather than type. Then test the QR by scanning with a phone or tablet. Make sure it prompts to join and that it auto-enters credentials. That confirms the encoding is correct. Once verified, export the image as PNG or PDF for digital sharing, or print it for a physical display. Choose a contrasty size so cameras read it easily, especially at distance. You finish by scanning the QR with the camera or QR app and accepting the join prompt. Then verify you received an IP and that internet traffic flows. If it fails, make sure the SSID and password were entered correctly when generating the QR and that the encryption type matches the hotspot. As a quick troubleshoot, toggle the hotspot, have the client forget the network and retry, restart the device, or regenerate the QR. These steps resolve most mismatches and cached credentials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.